Is your video footage looking too shaky or bouncy? This usually happens when video stabilization is turned off or not working properly. Using the camera's video stabilization feature can fix this and make your videos smoother. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to turn it on. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Settings app. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now find the camera app, then tap on it. Next, tap on Camera Settings. Now scroll down a bit. Here you will find the Video Stabilization feature. Now simply toggle it off. Method 2. Using Camera app. Go back to the home screen. Open up the Camera app. Look at the top left corner. Here you will see the settings icon. Simply turn it on from here. And if you want to disable it, just toggle it off. Alright everyone, that's how you enable or disable video stabilization on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay relaxed.